Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video, we are going to talk about China's new military secret technology that you have never seen before. China is known for its remarkable technological advancements and has been making strides in the military sector as well. The world has been amazed by China's new and advanced weaponry, and in this video, we will explore some of the latest and most sophisticated military technologies that China has developed. One of the latest and most impressive military technologies that China has developed is hypersonic weapons technology. Hypersonic weapons are missiles that can travel at speeds of over 5 times the speed of sound. This technology is revolutionary because these weapons can strike targets quickly and accurately, making them almost impossible to intercept. China has already developed its own hypersonic weapon system, the DF-17, which has a range of around 1,500 miles and can carry both conventional and nuclear warheads. Another technological breakthrough that China has made in the military sector is the development of an electromagnetic railgun. An electromagnetic railgun is a weapon that uses electromagnetic forces to launch projectiles at extremely high speeds. This technology is game-changing because railguns can fire projectiles at speeds of over 4,500 miles per hour, which is much faster than traditional weapons. This makes them more accurate, powerful, and almost impossible to defend against. China has also developed a new generation of carrier-killer missiles that can be launched from land, air, or sea. These missiles are designed to target aircraft carriers and other naval vessels, making them a formidable threat to any naval fleet. The DF-21D is one such missile, which has a range of up to 900 miles and can be launched from mobile platforms on land. It has been dubbed the carrier killer, because it can sink an aircraft carrier with just one hit. China has also made significant advancements in drone technology, and the country is now one of the world's leading manufacturers of drones. In recent years, China has developed a range of stealth drones that can be used for reconnaissance, surveillance, and even combat. One such drone is the CH-7, which is a stealth drone that has a range of over 12,000 miles and can carry a variety of weapons. It can fly at high altitudes and can evade radar detection, making it a difficult target for any enemy. China has also developed an upgraded version of its J-20 stealth fighter, which is one of the most advanced fighter jets in the world. The J-20 is a fifth-generation fighter that is designed to evade radar detection and has a range of over 1,200 miles. The upgraded version of the J-20 is said to have even greater stealth capabilities and improved avionics. It is also equipped with new engines that provide better performance and fuel efficiency. China has also invested heavily in its nuclear program and has developed a range of underground bunkers and intercontinental ballistic missiles. The country has a nuclear arsenal that is estimated to be around 350 warheads. One of the most impressive technologies that China has developed is the Dongfeng 41, DF-41, intercontinental ballistic missile. The DF-41 is a road-mobile missile that can carry up to 10 nuclear warheads and has a range of around 7,500 miles. In conclusion, China's military technology has come a long way in recent years. The country's investment in research and development has resulted in the development of some of the most sophisticated and advanced military technologies that have never been seen before. These technologies not only enhance the country's military capabilities but also give it a strategic advantage over its rivals. Thanks for watching this video on China's new military secret technology that you have never seen before. Do you think these developments will lead to a new arms race between China and other countries? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.